The other fun feature, after you uploaded your source or sources as many as you want, apart from asking questions, is you can get a video overview of the entire bit, right? Let me play what it has already created. Okay.
Let's talk about the price of conflict. Specifically, China.
It's going to keep moving around. So it has some static images that get
Think
updated
about that. There are
after every few
that
seconds,
internal.
right? It's
But
dividing this
here's the
entire
thing.
thing and
Most of that
keeping the video.
analysis is all about military wins, previous invasion.
These are not visuals that exist in the document.
Facing
These are
some
visuals
serious
that it has
headwinds.
created on its own. I would say this is very good quality of
Jobs
visuals
tied to
per se.
exports
It's got a voiceover, audio voiceover
would
already
leave the
included in it,
PLA a shattered
and it's about seven and a
early
half
detection
minutes
using all their
entirely,
surveillance.
and it puts the entire thing in a much more consumable format. It's not a quick
The
move
report
video,
makes this
it's actually a small move video, and you can generate as many of these as you want. And you can of course figure out if you want a particular type of a video, if you want a whiteboard video where it explains as if it's on a whiteboard, if you want it to be on a paper craft sort of a video, and you can of course tell it what all to focus on, what language, and how long do you want it to be, right? And then it generates this. So definitely try it out, Notebook LM.